wear them on your head? What else you got? Wait, where's the hammer? Wait, where's the saw? Show me the saw. And where's the screwdriver? And where's your power drill? And where's your flashlight? And where's your bolts? Do you have any nuts or bolts in there? Do you have any screws in there? You do? Where are they? Do you have a wrench? Is there a wrench in there? Wow. You are very good. And what's on your head? And what are they for? Are they they're for to protect your eyes? Uh-oh. Hold on. Let Daddy help. Here. Okay, let go. Do they go like that? Wow. Very good, Jake. You have all the tools. And what do you use your tools with? To fix your computer? Yeah. Scratching your computer a little bit. Yeah, that's good. Good job.